Hello. For the problem that you had a question on, which is this one, if you open the Excel file, this one, for hypothesis mean, I typed the data in here so that I can find the mean and standard deviation. But the first thing you do is put your sample size, which there was 15 of them. And then the population mean, that comes from your null hypothesis. And then for the sample mean, you can use a formula. You type equals, and mean is the same as average. And so see, the second one down is average, and you double click on it, and then you highlight your data and hit enter, and that gives you your mean. Standard deviation equals, and put ST, and standard deviations come up. You want the one with the S because it's a sample. This one would be a population, so we want this one. Double click and highlight your data, hit enter, and there's your standard deviation. The alpha is right here. The level of significance was 0.01, so put the 0.01, and here's your t-value, negative 1.601. They wanted 3 decimal places. Now the p-value, it's one of 3 possibilities depending on your test. If we look at the test, it's not equal to. Not equal to is a two-tailed test. So it's the 0.131598. If it were greater than, it's a right tail. And if it's less than, it's a left tail. But this one was not equal to, and that's why it's the bottom one. And then if your p-value is less than alpha, you reject, which means there's significant change. And if it's greater than, then there's not enough change, and so you don't reject.